Maratha Empire, Season 3, Episode 2, Aurangzeb's March towards Raigad. In the previous episode, we saw how Rajaram Maharaj was crowned as the new Chhatrapati after the martyrdom of Sambhaji Maharaj. At a time when Swaraj seemed surrounded by darkness, the Marathas proved that the dream of freedom would not end with the sacrifice of one king. But Aurangzeb was determined to prove otherwise. For years, Raigad Fort had been the heart of Swaraj. It was here that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had been crowned. It was here that crucial decision had shaped the future of Maratha's kingdom. As long as Raigad stood, the spirit of Swaraj remained alive. Aurangzeb understood its importance. He believed that capturing Raigad would do more than seize a fort. It would break the confidence of the Marathas forever. With this objective, the Mughal Empire launched a massive campaign against the capital of Swaraj. Experienced commanders, thousands of soldiers, powerful artillery, and endless supplies began moving towards Raigad. The pressure on the Marathas increased with every passing day. Inside the fort were Raja Ram Maharaj, Maharani Isubai, the young Prince Sahu, loyal commanders, and countless families who had dedicated their lives to Swaraj. Everyone knew one thing: if Raigad fell, the consequences would be enormous. But surrender was never an option. While the Mughal army tightened its grip around the fort, Rajaram Maharaj and his trusted advisors quietly began discussing a bold plan. They realized that protecting Swaraj was more important than protecting a single fort. Sometimes the greatest victory lies not in holding your ground, but in ensuring that the fight continues. A decision was about to be made, one that would confuse Aurangzeb and keep the flame of Swaraj burning. And in the next episode, we will witness the daring escape of Rajaram Maharaj from Raigad, while Maharani Isubai made a sacrifice that changed the course of Maratha history forever. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.